Hello children, today we will learn a new rhyme, that is Little Paul Parrot. Little Paul Parrot. What is the meaning of parrot? Tota, yes, you know. So today we will learn rhyme Little Paul Parrot. This is our second rhyme, of course. So you will sing with me, okay? Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea. Eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. And stole it all away. Okay children, so now you do your practice.